but because Christ was living in him. Holy Father, Pope Francis, to you can be applied the words of St. Paul in his letter to the Philippians, chapter 1, verse 21, when he said, "To live is Christ, and to die is gain." Pope Francis, you live a Christ-centered life. Now you are at the bosom of his Father. On a personal note, Pope Francis, I thank you for making me the Bishop of the Diocese of Baguio. Please pray for me and for our diocese.